Hello guys, you guys welcome to another video, a lovely one today. So today I want to show you guys what I discovered of recent. Why digging deep into the internet, I discovered this platform where you can actually answer questions just like the one I'm running already. In case you want to know more about it, I'm going to put the link in the description, the link to the WhatsApp group in the description, where you answer prizes about Bitcoin and you get to win. You stake and you get to win some few dollars also. So this one is just like that. So this is all about answering questions. First of all, you need to sign up. So check the link in the description. If you sign up, you get rewarded more tokens. You can see I only have 10 tokens because I answered 2 questions currently out of 3. I'm going to tell you guys all of that by the end of this video. So when you use my code, if you use my code, all right, 4TITIK, then you get some tokens. So you can only withdraw when this token is up to 500. All right. So now, disclaimer, you should know that I have not withdrawn yet, but I have checked it out and see people are withdrawing and it is easier for you to withdraw. Not as easy, but I mean like you can withdraw your money made. You can see prices on pancake swap. I'm going to make a video for you guys how to swap and all of that. So make sure you only just watch this video. Make sure you like and also subscribe and click on the bell notification button because I'll be making more videos about this in the future. So above you can see alpha vintage coin. That's about the coin. You can see mining. Also, I'm also going to talk about mining and tournament, also with the daily challenge. All right, so if I click on daily challenge, I have answered mine already. They gave me 3 questions. I got 2 correctly. The questions are kind of technical, but you can watch videos to guide you. So yeah, then you can go back. All right, so first you want to do, like I said, sign up with my link. Then you can now register. When you've registered and everything is done, you see this stuff, go to daily tournament, answer questions. You keep answering questions every day and they give you this token. You can see the total value of 10 tokens I have now is 65 USD at the moment, which I think is great. So imagine if you have 500 or 1,000 of this, or even more than that, or even 10,000 of these tokens, you can make a lot of money. Also, you can invite your friends just like the way I'm doing, and also you can also see your achievement and all of that. Like I said, I'll be making more videos about this one, detailed videos, so you guys can see. But this video is just to introduce to you guys what is happening at the moment and how to play. Just go to tournament, answer questions, and you get your stuff here. When it's up to 500, you can withdraw. You can click on this. So like I said, make sure you guys follow me for more. Thank you guys so much for watching.